Friends, good morning. This is Celestino Idubas with you again this morning. This morning, I will give you an update about the status of our car named Jeremiah, who got a problem as what in my previous video, that this car got a problem and we send an insurance claim to Standard Insurance Company. Everything is done. The Mitsubishi company already sent, and it was been approved by the Standard Insurance Company. And after that, the insurance company visit the car to check up the damage. And upon checking from the insurance company, they discover that out of that 334,000 proposal from the Mitsubishi company, it is only approved a gross repair cost of only 10,703.82. You know why? Because upon checking the car, they said that we need to replace only the transmission case cover under. So see, I am thankful to God that only this much damage found in that car. The realization or lesson I learned this situation is we have to control our emotions. You know why? Because if that incident happened and I did not control my emotions, it might be so many things, the feelings or anything will destroy. Because if I did not control my emotion, one more thing I consider, maybe I will get angry with the one who is driving that car on that day. And second one, if I did not control my emotion, it might be I feel too much worry enough about that damage. And third one, if I did not control my emotion, maybe I cannot communicate it in a proper way to Mitsubishi company as well as to the Mitsubishi and the right repair station, or like coordinating with our agent Ma'am Jel, and of course in coordinating with the maintenance department. So with that emotion that I control, I keep cool, or I treat by myself like a kid, the feeling of a kid that nothing happened. So above all, I am thankful to God for the safety journey on that night, for only small damage on that car. I really appreciate for that, and of course in controlling my emotion. So out of, again, the mention I told you that the proposal of the Mitsubishi company of that day is about 334,000. As the actual one, it costs only 10,703.82 as a gross repair cost approved by the insurance company. So I hope that this is clear to one and all, to those who are asking what happened and what is the status of that car and the insurance that we claim. So this time, by Tuesday, actually they said that on Saturday, last Saturday, yesterday, I can claim that car, but they just repair the damage yet. They did not replace the transmission case cover because that transmission case cover was ordered already, and we do not know yet when they will arrive. So for the meantime, I told Mitsubishi company that I have to take it back because so that we can use that car, and besides we will not pay anymore the storage fee of 80 pesos per day in the Mitsubishi company. So again, I am thankful to Ma'am Jel, to RG, to Mr. Ridango, and to Mr. Marks Suarez for the continuous support and guidance of our car named Jeremiah. So in my next video, I will share it with you once the car will replaces, or once this transmission case cover will arrive soon. But before I ended this, I must be thankful also again to the Standard Insurance Company for the fast approval. So this is my topic for today, and good morning or a pleasant day ahead to all the people of the Middle East, and a pleasant afternoon to the people of the Philippines. Thank you for watching, and God bless everyone.